We've all been there. Nothing is more frustrating than dealing with slow internet, second only to having no internet at all. If you've recently upgraded to Windows 11 and find your internet connection dragging, don't worry. Welcome to iTech Studios, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button because this really helps me a lot. And in this guide, I'll share practical tips and tricks to help you boost your internet speed and get the most out of your internet plan. Let's get started. The first step is to test your current internet speed. Before diving into fixes, figure out where you stand. Compare your current speed with what your internet service provider promises. You can use a tool like Speed Test, which you can find on the Microsoft Store. You just head to the search bar of the Microsoft Store window and you type in Ookla, or you can either type in Speed Test. And then you get the Speed Test by Ookla for free, which you can install and then use it to test your internet speed. Alternatively, you can open your browser and then just type in speedtest.net into the search bar, and then it will direct you straight to the Ookla Speed Test website, where you can test your current internet speed easily and for free. Once you are on the Ookla Speed Test website, you have a chance to test for your internet speed. And then the key metrics that you are to take note is the ping, the download speed, and the upload speed, which you get to see as we move on in the video. So all you have to do is you just have to click on go, and then the website will want to know your location. You can either allow or block, but I don't want that, so I'll just close it. And then we wait for the website to test your internet speed. So now, once the Ookla Speed Test app is done checking your internet speed, you get to see a result or a summary of all the processes that went on. The key metrics that I was talking about, the ping, it tests the speed of a data signal. That's the response time. That's measured in milliseconds, as you can see the ms beside the ping. And then the lower the value, the better it is, especially for online gaming or for gamers. And then the download speed. You can see my download speed was 2.59 megabytes per second. And then this one, it shows how fast you can pull data from the internet, like loading websites. And then the upload speed, as you can see, mine is 0.41 megabytes per second. And then this one indicates how fast you can send data, like uploading files to the cloud or the internet. If your results don't match your plan, it's time to optimize. Now, let's dive into the fixes. The first step is to limit bandwidth for updates. Windows Update can hog your bandwidth, slowing everything down. Adjust these settings to fix it. The first thing is to open your settings by right-clicking on the Start menu icon or clicking on Settings, or you can use the Windows shortcut key, which is Windows key plus I. Now, once you are done opening the settings, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Under Windows Update, scroll down and then click on Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, scroll down to find Delivery Optimization. Now, under Delivery Optimization, toggle off downloads from other PCs. And to limit bandwidth for updates, click on the Windows Update at the left side of the menu. Now, scroll down and click on Advanced Optimization, and then scroll down again to find Delivery Optimization. Under Delivery Optimization, scroll down to the download options. Now, choose absolute bandwidth or percentage of measured bandwidth to set limits for downloading updates in the foreground and the background. But I will go with the percentage of measured bandwidth. And if you want to go with the absolute bandwidth limit, you can go ahead and then set the background limit in megabytes and the foreground in megabytes. And you can go with the default value, which is the 1 gigabyte and then the 5 gigabytes. The next step you can try is to restart your computer. Sometimes the simplest fix is the most effective. A restart can resolve bugs or background processes causing connectivity issues. You can use Alt plus F4 to open the shutdown window, select Restart, and then you click on OK. Alternatively, you can click on the Start menu and then the power icon, and then you choose Restart. The next option is to disable metered connection. Whilst a metered connection helps save data, it can limit your internet speed. You can fix that by right-clicking on the Start menu icon and clicking on Settings. Now, go to Network and Internet. For Ethernet connections, click on Ethernet connection and then scroll down until you find metered connection. Toggle off metered connection. And then for those on Wi-Fi, you do the same by clicking on the Wi-Fi and scrolling down. You'll find metered connection. Make sure you toggle that one too off. The next step is to change DNS servers. Your internet service provider's DNS servers may not be optimized for speed. Switching to faster alternatives can improve performance. And to do that, click on the search icon on your taskbar and then type in Control Panel. Now, click on it to open the app. Now, navigate to Network and Sharing Center. And then click on Change Adapter Settings at the left side of the window. Now, right-click on your network, whether Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then select Properties from the pop-up list. Now, select Internet Protocol version 4 into bracket TCP/IPv4. Double-click on it to open the properties. Head down and then enable the option for use the following DNS servers. You can either use a Cloudflare server or Google DNS server. Now, go ahead and input in either one of these DNS, whether the one from Cloudflare or Google DNS. I'll go with the Google DNS server. So you just go ahead and then type in the one for the preferred DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. And then I'll head to the alternate, which is the 8.8.4.4. After that, you click OK. Experiment to see which servers works best for your location. The next step is to turn off background apps. Background apps can consume bandwidth and slow your connection. To do that, just right-click on your Start menu icon and click on Installed Apps. For each unnecessary app, click on the three dots menu and then find Advanced option. If you can't find Advanced option at this section here, scroll down until you find System Components and then you click on it. Now, you can go ahead and click on the three dots menu and then click on Advanced options. Scroll down until you find Permissions and you get to see Let the system component run in the background. You just click on it and then click on Never. You can do the same for any other unnecessary apps on your PC. The next step is to scan for viruses and malware. Malware can secretly drain your bandwidth and slow your system. Run a comprehensive scan to ensure your system is clean. And to do that, head to your taskbar and then click on the search icon. Now, type in Virus and Threat Protection. Once it pops up, click on it to launch it. Under the Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan Options. Scroll down and then check the box for full scan. This will check all file and running programs on a hard disk, and this scan can take longer than an hour. After that, you scroll down and you click on Scan Now. That's all for this step. And now, bonus tips for internet speed boost. Ethernet connections are typically faster and more stable than Wi-Fi, so I would advise you to use a wired connection. And then if you are using old hardware, you may not handle higher speeds, so upgrade your router or modem. And then make sure to place your router in a central, elevated location and then away from walls and electronics. This reduces Wi-Fi interferences. And then upgrade your internet plan. If none of the fixes work, your plan may not meet your usage needs. That's all for these tutorials. Slow internet doesn't have to ruin your day. With these easy steps, you can troubleshoot and optimize your connection on Windows 11, getting the most out of your current plan. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with others and hit subscribe for more tech tips. Click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos, including Windows 11 hacks and other tech-related insights. Let's make tech simple together. See you in the next one.